welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. So we have two things planned in this video. One of it is going to be a giveaway. I'm going to start off with that one. So the whole plan for us moving forward is to do another giveaway for you guys. However, this one will be a little bit different from the Polo front bumper giveaway. It's going to be a more general thing. It's actually going to be a 3-stage detail for one of you guys' cars. However, the car obviously has to be, or you have to be, in Cape Town, because the company that we are going to work with is called Extreme Wash. They are actually next to Ali's Wheels, I think in Belgravia. The owner is also Rida. He's the guy with the STI with the WONG spec and the STM stickers on that you guys saw at Saldana. So how you guys can basically enter for this giveaway is you simply just need to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, as well as follow STM, as well as follow Extreme Wash on Instagram as well. What I'll also do is maybe just add a post on Instagram, which will allow you maybe 2 entries if you mention 3 people in the comment section. So we'll generate a winner, and then obviously we'll announce it and take your car to Extreme and have a 3-stage detail done to your car. So moving forward, what we also have planned is today we will be announcing the new before and after build series. So this car is actually very special. It's actually one of my first few cars that I've actually driven in. This car is also known for being one of the fastest in its category, or in its body shape. So I'm going to tag you guys along and show you guys what the car is. What I'm also going to do today is maybe just drop off some parts, etc. And then if you haven't already checked out my new catalog or my new things that I am selling on STM WONG spec on Instagram, please check it out. My details are also there. The whole idea with STM is obviously to be able to supply you guys basically anything that you need. I'll try to get it to the best of my ability. So yeah guys, what I also maybe want to do is moving forward, if you do have your car washed by Extreme Wash and you maybe have a full car wash or full valet done, I will maybe add a sticker or 2 in that deal as well. So yeah guys, that is what we do have planned for today. So let's bust the move.
Oh shit, here we go again.
That's a friend of mine, Viva. We had a quick meeting actually, discuss possible things that are going to happen moving forward. I have some more information maybe in future. So that is a Viva. He mentioned that the last time, I think his best time was around 14.4 if I'm not mistaken. I think the car has like cams in, etc. The car is also going for a dyno. I think tomorrow or Thursday, because Friday is Killarney again, so I might just tag you guys along again for Killarney and maybe just show you a few runs of that car. I think Tyler might be there as well, and a few other cars as well. So I just dropped off some parts for them, which they need to obviously courier to certain places. There's also a few parts that I need to go fetch right now before I can actually show you guys the new before and after build. So yeah, that's just a quick update. Okay guys, so I just arrived to AK Auto Express, and this is where the car is going to be fixed, or how can I say, restored. So as you guys know, this is going to be the new before and after build series. You guys can already determine what car it is based off the background. This is also the first car that I've ever driven in the shape. If you guys know what car it is, let's just say it is a rear wheel drive. So what I'm going to do right now is maybe just climb outside the car, show you what the car looks like, and then just explain to you what we are going to do moving forward to perfect the car or restore the car. Okay guys, so this is the car. This is an S2000. This is the AP1, however it does have the AP2 look. So what a lot of you guys do not know is that in America the AP2 is actually 2.2, because they are more used to V8s. So that is why they are the only ones that actually have the 2.2, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is my friend Kyle's car, and like I mentioned previously, this is the first S2000 that I've actually ever driven in and driven myself. Just to walk around the car is looking good. However, there is a few things that need to be done, like the side over here as well as on the other side. So what basically happened here was he also owns, or did own, an Integra that had 18s on, and they were a little bit wide, and they pressed this out. So moving forward, what Ashton might do is just cut out the section and then still shape it correctly. The side isn't that bad, but if you come to the other side, it's actually pretty bad. I also mentioned to you guys that this is actually one of the fast S2000s out of the lot in Cape Town. I recall going every Wednesday to race with him, and he actually drove a lot of guys away. A lot of people assume that he had cams in because his car was actually different from the other S2000s. So another few things that you might see here is some damage over here. He also has insane 2 pit bulls, so that explains this little situation over here. This is everything will be repaired. We are discussing what lip we might go with. It could possibly be a CR lip, which is going to give the car a more original look. With the bumper, we might just go with a honeycomb here at the bottom. You can actually see his induction over there. And then the front lights are angel eyes, which we will also be swapping for the original as well. Another thing that we might just do is these wheels are going to be silver. What my friend Kyle also mentions is that he no longer wants to race his car. It's going to be more of a showroom type of a vibe. Then he has this wing over here. It's like a duck-billed wing. No diffuser. I think this is a HKS exhaust, if I'm not mistaken. Single exit, like all the FN2s and S2000s run. It's better for performance wise. So this is a general look at what the car looks like. My friend Kyle actually has this car for some time. I'll just open up the engine bay and show you guys how it looks like inside. However, before I do, let me just show you another thing that we do plan on doing. So these are like a certain type of side skirts, but as you guys can see here, it's almost like it's pressing out. So what Ashton is going to do is he's going to kind of shave it on the inside so it sits more flush. Maybe even remove this section over here, and then obviously redo it. It's kind of damaged over here as well. So yeah, that's an overall look at the car. Black is very difficult to maintain, causes a lot of scratches. And then there's another scratch I remembered, could be even a year back. I remembered me and Kyle going out and coming back to this. This does look like something very spiteful that someone has done. It's like a cross over here. I recall this because I remember not being there, and then we went out, came out to the car, and this was over here. So yeah, that is something that is going to be repaired as well. Another funny thing is also, there was a time when the car wasn't driving, and then I had this gear knob with him. He actually gave it to me to borrow. It's like a neochrome weighted shifter. So something cool I thought I'd share with you. It does have 6-speed on it, and my car is 5-speed though. So let me just open up the bonnet and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Okay guys, so this is what the engine bay looks like. He went with a candy apple red. I still recalled we bought what this is called, a heat shield. I think this is Cusco. I just can't find the branding over here. Over there, if you guys can see it. So this actually used to be blue, and then he made it candy apple red, as well as the strut brace, as well as the tappet cover as well. And then he has a AEM induction that runs right down to the center of the front bumper. So this is what the engine bay looks like. This car is actually stock, guys. However, he knows his way around with S1000s, and to be honest, I think he just drives very well, and that's why this car seemed that fast at the time. But yeah, like we mentioned, this is now going to be bit of more of a show car type of vibe. So that is what you guys can look forward to in future. This is the new before and after build series. So I'll try my best to come around here as often as possible to show you guys the progress on this car. And then also I think Ashton is still busy with the giveaway bumper. I'll just show you guys that in a second as well. Okay, before I actually do leave, I'm also just going to show you guys how Ashton sprays this polo bumper. I know it's like a weird orange color. He actually has it in the spray gun over there. And then I'm just going to show you guys how he actually sprays this bumper. I think he needs to spray this as well. This is actually for the FN2. He's busy with the Silver Championship FN2 as well. Okay guys, so this is what the bumper looks like with the clear coat on as well. I think Ashton did a very good job. I just thought I'd share this with you guys so you guys can maybe know what to look forward to in future when we do the S1000. I must say Ashton's work is very good, and I look forward to him actually spraying the S1000. I think he's going to start tomorrow, so I might just pull through tomorrow and show you guys some work done on the S1000. Okay guys, so this is also the giveaway bumper, the Polo WRC bumper, all sprayed up. We're just waiting for the winner to actually come through and have it fitted. He lives in Malmesbury, so he kind of lives far, so we can't really link up whenever we want to. So most likely this Saturday we're going to link up and put this bumper for him, and it will be all done. I think the center and this we might just spray a satin black and then put his lip that he has on the car on here as well. This video might be after the giveaway bumper anyway, but I just thought I'd show this to you guys as well. And then this is the new before and after build series. I'm actually extremely excited for this build. If you guys know me well, you know that this is a dream car for me, and maybe one day on the channel we will own something like this. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are excited as I am for this build series, because this is going to be insane. But yeah, if you guys did like this content, please do press the like button, subscribe to the channel, please maybe comment something in the comment section. Also, the VVL that we linked up with earlier on, we are going to do a video on that, maybe a dyno run tomorrow, and then on Friday we're gonna maybe film some races as well. It's gonna be nighttime, I might not get as much footage as I'd want, but yeah, I'm gonna end of the video here. Hope you guys enjoy the content, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.
Take this feeling,